Good morning. We're here at the office today and I'm going to clean up the P38. Showed this one in a short the other day and it is incredibly dirty. So being at the office, I've just got a pocket cleaning kit, pocket pistol kit. One thing you'll notice, that is incredibly bent. That came from a range day where we had a squib load with a revolver, and getting that sucker out got the best of the rod there. First off, magazine is out of the gun. We're locked back. Gun is empty. To take one of these down, takedown lever is there. Slide comes off. Very similar to a Beretta. A lot of oil in there, along with a lot of dirt. So, to begin with, we're not going to be using that rod. And this is a decent little cleaning kit. I don't remember what I paid for it, but it has quite a few of the pistol brushes that you might run into. And this is a cable similar to something like a bore snake, but it doesn't have the coating that's going to clean out the barrel, but you can pull through the different attachments. So I'll begin with the 9mm or 38 brush. I'll begin with a 9mm or 38 caliber brush. And this is just soap and water. Take our lube, and I don't have any cleaning solvent here at the office with me today. Usually I've got a can of Ballistol or Hoppies, so I'm just going to soap and water this one for the time being. Get to the range house and hit it with some other stuff. I'm going to take this one out and shoot it this afternoon, see if we get better results. One thing about this is it has mainly fired blanks from back in the living history days. So I haven't fired any live ammunition through this one in a while. Yeah, she is funky. All right. Start cleaning out the interior here. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry, then I'll give it a light lube and put her back together. So we're finishing the drying process, and I'm going to run one patch through the barrel just in case there's any residual moisture hanging around in there. And this is not what I would call a thorough clean. It's just kind of a down and dirty to get some of that gunk out of there and take it out to the range this afternoon. So we will reassemble. Barrel back into the slide. Slide works a little better than it did the other day. If you watch the short, that thing was just riding back. Just years of neglect. Do a function test. Decock lever is working. Safe on fire. Got it unloaded. Reset's good. And drop. So we'll see how it does on the range with some modern ammo. Thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing, consider giving us a subscribe and a thumbs up.